So you might be thinking, that club sandwich idea sure looked good, but it didn't work. See, the thing you have to understand is that Minotaur hits hard. By my calculations, Minotaur stores more than double the kinetic energy of Endgame, and it's perfectly set up to deliver all of that energy right into the underside of our bar. But despite all that, the club sandwich actually worked perfectly, because it's really a super secret prototype to prove out the most unbeatable blade concept ever, ablative weapon. You see, every time Minotaur took a chunk out of our weapon bar, that was absorbing damage that saved the bot from total destruction. The thick bar did the same thing against Lockjaw, and we're finally ready to bring both of these designs to their final form. I'm Nick, Cake Boss for Team BNS, and this is the Cake Bar. You see, the problem with the thick bar and the club sandwich was that they simply weren't thick enough. To make matters worse, the nutritional value of the club sandwich only made Minotaur stronger as the match went on. We need to use the toughest materials and make this bar as thick and indigestible as possible to work, which is why the cake bar is made of solid 4-inch thick UHMW. That's a full 69 pounds of ablative armor spinning around our entire robot. By our calculations, it would take Minotaur a full 7 minutes to consume the entire cake bar on account of its sheer unadulterated thickness. This would give us plenty of time to unleash the true genius of the cake bar, the candles. You see, last year I celebrated my birthday in Las Vegas during the filming of Season 6. Unfortunately, there was no cake, but this year we will be prepared. The cake bar will be armed with a fully functional flame system in each of the 4 birthday candles on top. When the fire vortex is unleashed, the true power of the cake bar will be fully realized, and Bloodsport will become invincible when I use the candles to make my birthday wish. When that happens, the giant nut will be ours. All hail the cake bar, which definitely does not have any beans inside of it, by the way. So, what do you think of this idea? Let us know in the comments, and watch out for the cake bar in the next season of BattleBots. As always, thanks for watching, and happy birthday!